Hi, I'm Alex, and today I'm going to be talking about event triggers in Microsoft Fabric, specifically to automatically initialize a data pipeline when there's a change made in a storage account. So first step is we need to go to Azure and open up our subscription, and we need to register Microsoft Event Grid. So go to Resource Providers, search Event, and register that item. Next, we want to go to, well, here's our storage account. And you can see I've got a test.csv in there. And I want to know whenever test is uploaded, removed, or changed. So here's the pipeline. I've set up a very basic pipeline with just a set variable task so that we can test the running of it. And we need to go over to triggers, add trigger, and we'll call this one blob. And select the events, go to Azure Blob Storage Events, and here you select your subscription and it'll give you a list of all of the storage accounts that are available. Go next, and you have different event types that you can bring through. We just need the top three, so we're going to keep created, deleted, and renamed. And next we want to add a filter so that it only looks at that specific file, and we want subject, and then string begins with, and I've got a string here that we need to use. I'll add this in the description, but it's basically blobServices, default, containers, your storage account, and then blobs, and then your container. I've got landing, and then a folder called general, and then the test CSV. Pop that into the value and go next and connect that. It'll create an event stream that it'll use to automate the process, and then it'll link to the storage account. Got that, save, and then create. So that'll create the rule there and show us a confirmation. Yeah, there we go. Right, and now our rule is running. So let's close that there and just check the run history as I've tested it before. So our last one was 1321. Now, if I go to the storage account and if I delete test, it should trigger a new run. So let's just check in the trigger first. So we can make sure that the trigger is actually working by clicking those three dots and going to opening activator. And here we have information on the rule that we've set up, times that it's been initiated, and down here we have the information of the action, and we can see that test was deleted. So that should trigger our pipeline. It'll take a little bit of time for the rule to become active. Yeah, so it just took a little bit of time there to trigger, but there you can see the successful running of the pipeline. I hope that's been helpful. Just a quick video on event triggers. Thank you very much.